Number 1.
1999 Ford F-150, price $7,800. It has been driven just 66,000 miles and features a classic green exterior complemented by a tan interior. It is powered by a 4.2L V6 gasoline engine that produces 205 horsepower at 4,400 revolutions per minute and 254 lb-ft of torque at 2,000 revolutions per minute. Power is delivered through a 4-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and straightforward operation for everyday driving. With its relatively low mileage for its age, this F-150 offers a solid combination of practicality, reliability, and classic pickup character. The truck has recently received a fresh oil change and inspection, giving the next owner added confidence in its mechanical condition. It is also fitted with brand new Nexen Roadian HTX 255/70 or 16 tires, providing fresh traction and completing an important maintenance item. It would make a practical choice for regular transportation, light-duty work, or anyone looking for a dependable late 1990s Ford pickup.
Number 2.
2000 Toyota Tundra, price $7,500. The truck is a dependable gasoline-powered that continues to run exceptionally well despite its 220,000 miles, showing no warning lights on the dashboard. It features a rugged gray exterior paired with a tan interior and relies on a smooth automatic transmission to deliver a comfortable driving experience. The truck retains full functionality across all essential systems, including its working four-wheel drive, air conditioning, and heater. Having been meticulously maintained with all routine services completed, the vehicle benefits from significant recent mechanical updates, including brand new brakes, a fresh timing belt, and new shock absorbers for improved ride stability. While it carries a rebuilt title, this fully operational truck remains thoroughly prepared for daily duties and light work.
Number 3.
2001 Toyota Tacoma, price $8,500. It has accumulated 186,000 miles over its lifetime. Pride of ownership shows throughout the vehicle, having been cared for by a single owner in North Carolina, which has kept the frame and body completely rust-free. Finished in a vibrant red exterior that creates a sharp contrast with its practical gray interior, this truck blends a classic compact truck look with everyday functionality. Under the hood, it is powered by an efficient and dependable 2.4-liter inline-4 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, making it a reliable choice for daily commutes and light hauling. The truck has been recently serviced to ensure top mechanical condition, and it features ice-cold air conditioning to keep the cabin comfortable in any weather.
Completely turnkey ready and requiring no immediate work, this well-kept Tacoma is fully prepared to hit the road with its next owner immediately. Number 4.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, with 158,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior paired with a matching red interior, giving the truck a classic and attractive appearance. The interior is clean and well kept, while the truck sits on a set of good tires. It runs and drives well, with the engine performing great and the cold AC providing added comfort. The truck does have some rust around the rocker panels, which is worth noting, but overall it remains a solid and dependable looking pickup. It also comes equipped with a radio/audio system, making it more enjoyable for regular driving.
This 1995 Chevy offers a practical combination of classic truck character and everyday usability. Number 5.
2002 Chevrolet S10, price $6,500, with over 186,000 miles, featuring a 4.3-liter V6 engine and a smooth automatic transmission. Styled with a tan exterior and gray interior, it offers power windows, power locks, ice-cold air conditioning, a clean title, and 2 keys with keyless entry fobs. The truck has been thoroughly serviced with a new starter, alternator, battery, radiator hoses, fan clutch, rear tires, for new shocks, fresh engine oil, a full front-end lube, and a brake fluid flush with new brake hoses. Its chassis is further improved by a complete front suspension and steering linkage kit, including new inner and outer tie rods, sway bar end links, and extra front upper and lower ball joints included in the sale. Everything functions properly and it drives fine for its age, though it shows minor character like 2 small windshield chips, a dented rear bumper, and a steering wheel that may need an alignment after the recent suspension upgrades.
Number 6.
1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,700, showing 244,000 miles on the odometer, coming with 0 reported mechanical issues. Dressed in a classic tan exterior that complements its practical gray interior, the truck features an extended cab design with 2 fully opening access doors, creating a wide opening and providing extra room for passengers or cargo. Under the hood, the vehicle is powered by a dependable 4.8-liter small V8 engine mated to a smooth automatic transmission, delivering a strong balance of everyday utility and reliable performance. Meticulously cared for by its previous owner, the truck remains exceptionally clean inside and out, offering a comfortable, spacious cabin paired with a proven powertrain that makes it fully ready for immediate work or daily driving.
Number 7. 2004 Ford F-350, price $9,900, showing just under 119,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a matching tan exterior and interior, it is powered by a potent V10 engine mated to a smooth automatic transmission, utilizing a 4.30 rear-end ratio that helps it run exceptionally well for heavy hauling and towing duties. The truck has been well cared for over the years, maintaining a very straight body with only a few minor dings and minimal rust. Although originally an XL trim, the vehicle is generously upgraded with premium aftermarket enhancements, including power windows, power locks, and remote start and lock capabilities. Interior technology features an Apple CarPlay system with hands-free phone integration, paired with a standard backup camera as well as a dedicated bed camera to make loading a fifth-wheel trailer effortless. Ready to hit the road immediately, this well-maintained dual rear-wheel Ford benefits from brand-new shocks all the way around, a new Curt hitch, and 7-pin electrical connectors located both inside the truck box and on the outer bumper. Number 8.
1998 Dodge Ram 1500, price $3,500, with low reading of just 90,000 original miles on the odometer. Styled with a classic white exterior that pairs nicely with its practical gray interior, this gasoline-powered pickup provides a comfortable cabin environment equipped with convenient daily amenities, including power windows, power locks, and a smooth automatic transmission that ensures an effortless driving experience. Mechanically, the truck remains in impressive condition despite having sat unused for a period of time. The body and frame are completely rust-free, preserving its structural integrity, while the powerful engine runs strong and the transmission shifts out nicely and smoothly exactly as intended. Furthermore, its reliable four-wheel drive system operates flawlessly, making it exceptionally capable whether navigating tough road conditions or handling off-road terrain. Although it could use some minor tender loving care to address light cosmetic upkeep from sitting, the truck runs and drives great as is, offering a fantastic opportunity for anyone seeking a solid, long-lasting 4x4 pickup that is fully prepared to serve as a dependable daily driver.
Number 9.
1989 Ford F-250, price $5,100, showing 130,400 miles on the odometer and currently registered as an antique vehicle. Finished in a subtle gray exterior that creates a bold contrast with its vibrant red interior, this vintage truck is powered by a dependable 5.8-liter engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission with overdrive, offering engaging mechanical control along with a capable 4-wheel drive system for added traction. Mechanically, the truck runs, drives, and stops reliably, having recently received new front brakes alongside a fresh exhaust system installed from the catalytic converter back. Upgrading the rear exhaust made a leak noise noticeable in the engine compartment, which is believed to be an exhaust manifold leak. A brand new set of exhaust manifolds and matching gaskets will be included in the sale. With its solid mechanical foundation, fresh brake work, and included replacement parts, this classic Ford F-250 stands as a fantastic hands-on project for any truck enthusiast.
Number 10.
1991 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,500, showing 227,200 miles on the odometer. Dressed in a sleek black exterior paired with an original red interior, this 35-year-old truck is powered by a dependable 350 V8 engine mated to a smooth automatic transmission. Free from modern electronic complexities like ABS or traction control, it boasts exceptional mechanical simplicity, starts every single time, and features a fully functional 4-wheel drive system alongside a completely working interior right down to the original cassette player. The truck has been extensively updated with new tires, rims, shock absorbers, a brand new air conditioning system, a refreshed throttle body, and all new exterior lighting including the grille, headlights, marker lights, and tail lights. While it exhibits typical age-related rust on the fenders and rocker panels, the frame and bed remain solid and fine.